Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 9 Johnson Street in Saugus, Massachusetts. 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, townhouse style condo. We're going to show you the place right now. Follow me. In here we have a bedroom. It's super big and super spacious. Nice hardwood floors, plenty of natural sunlight, and a closet right over here. Now we're going to go to the main bath of the house. And here you have it. Great tiles, super deep bath. It's been updated as recently as 2019 in February. They put in that tub. Now we're going to go to what I call the master bedroom. This bedroom is super big, 2 big windows and 2 good sized closets. And now we're going to take you downstairs and show you the rest of the property. You have the living room, and there you can set up a dining room table, so you have the dining room as well. It's pretty cool what they did with the space here, kind of using it as an office. And here you have another half bath, so that's the second bath in the house. And now I'm going to show you the kitchen. As you can see, very well maintained, nice white cabinets, and this place also has a backyard and a deck, which we're going to have you take a look at right now. Come check out the backyard. It's an awesome space. Here you have a deck, perfect for hanging out in the summertime. You can set up a couple of chairs, a table, a grill, and the backyard is pretty big. You only have one neighbor. It's townhouse style, so 3 floors all to yourself. And now we're going to check out the neighborhood. Here we are in front of the house, 9 Johnson Street. Check out this street. The awesome part is you have water, so you can come outside in the front yard with your cup of coffee in the morning and just walk by all the way over here. And as you can see across the street, right behind me, you got a great body of water. So it's super awesome. You can run, jog, walk, or just hang out. Again, it's 9 Johnson Street, Saugus, Massachusetts, coming soon. As always, we have all the information on www.dna-realty.com. And check out our YouTube channel. That's probably where you're watching this video. If you like it, please comment, like, and share. And follow us on all of our social media. Links will be below. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you enjoyed it.